Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Math Tech TV. So, isa na namang Tagalog lessons in mathematics ang didiscuss ko ngayong araw. Which is one of the part of conic section which is parabola. Ito yung ano nga ba yung parabola? Kapag ka meron kang plane figure na nag-cut dun sa double knot cone diagonally, na which is yung diagonal line is um, parallel dun sa sides nung double knot cone, ang magpo-form mo is a parabola. So, yun yung si parabola. So, proceed na tayo dun sa lesson natin about this. Parabola. Sabi, ang parabola is consist of focus. Meron siyang focus. So, yun, pagka pinag-aralan natin siya, meron siyang given focus, parabola. Next, a directrix or a fixed line. Composed din siya ng principal axis, line through the focus perpendicular to directrix. For example, let's say, in a Cartesian plane, let's say, merong given parabola. Let's say, a given parabola opens upward. Meron daw siyang principal axis perpendicular to the directrix. Kung ito yung parabola, meron yung somewhere dito na directrix. Ayan ha. Directrix. Kung opens upward or downward yung given parabola, ang directrix mo is horizontal line. Pero kung ang given parabola is opens to the right or opens to the left, ang directrix mo is vertical line. So, since ang green ako ngayong berta ng parabola dito is it opens upward, so therefore, ang directrix ko is yung directrix denoted by D. So, ang directrix ko ay horizontal. So, sabi, ang principal axis line through the focus perpendicular to the directrix. So, ito yung directrix. Since perpendicular, nandito naman yung principal axis. So, line from the focus. Kung ito yung given directrix, parabola opens upward, nandun sa loob, let's say nandito, nandun sa loob yung focus. A fixed point. Dadaanan siya ng principal axis at perpendicular siya dun sa directrix. So, ito yung principal axis. Given parabola ha. Next, latus rectum. It is the length of the focal chord perpendicular to the principal axis, through the focus, and therefore parallel to the directrix. Its length is 4a, where a is the distance between the vertex and the focus, or between the vertex and the directrix. So, yung gitna kasi nitong given parabola, ito yung directrix, ito yung vertex. Yan ha. Ngayon ang sabi dyan, it is the length of a focal chord perpendicular dun sa principal axis. Kung ito principal axis mo, another perpendicular line siya through the focus. Kung ito yung focus mo, meron niyang line dyan, broken line. Kasi length lang naman ang pinag-uusapan natin. So, nandito yung latus rectum, nasa dulo. Yung length daw niyan in total, ang dalawang yan, yung length niyan in total, that is 4a. And so, therefore, this is 2a, this is 2a. Next, sabi, where a is the distance between the vertex and the focus, distance between the vertex. Kung ito yung focus, ito yung vertex, yung makukuha natin given determined by A, yun yung distance naman mula dito. A. And then, and the focus or between the vertex and the directrix. So, mula dito sa vertex hanggang dun sa directrix, ang length din niya is, ang distance niya rin dun sa bawat isa is A. Yan ha. Next, The vertex, ayan, vertex B, point of the principal axis and the midway between the focus and the directrix. Ayan. So, yun yung vertex. Ayan, nandun sa gitna. Ayan, no? The standard form of vertex form. So, vertex form ang tawag dun sa parabola. Kung sa standard form or center radius form sa circle, sa parabola ang tawag naman is standard form or vertex form. Meron siyang apat na standard form. Ayan, meron siyang apat. Ang apat na yan. So, pwedeng opens upward. Pagka ang x squared, variable, ang mayroon chances na mag-squared kasi wala namang squared dito. So, therefore, hindi pwedeng maging squared yung y. Kapag ka yung x squared term ang squared is either opens upward or downward. So, paano natin malalaman kung upward or downward siya? Depending on the latus rectum, yung 4a natin. So, kung positive siya, then opens upward siya. Kung negative yan, that is opens downward. Ngayon, kapag kabaliktaran naman, kung yung y variable naman ang squared, opens to the right siya or opens to the left. Pero kung mapapansin nyo dito, laging ka-asawa ng x, yung h. So, kung babaliktarin natin siya, nandito pa rin yan. Ganon din with k, y. Asawa niya yung k. So, ibig sabihin, as y variable, ang kasama niya, yung y coordinates. At yung x variable, ang kasama niya, yung x coordinates. Ha. Next is, kung meron tayong standard form, apat yan, meron din tayong general form. So, kapag yun nga, y squared, kagaya na ito, is either opens to the right or to the left. And then, kapag yung x is either opens upward or downward. So, madidetermine natin yun kung opens upward, downward siya, or right or left, depende dun sa 4a. Same with 4a. Kapag sa y, opens to the right kapag positive, pagka negative, that is opens to the left. Yun lang naman si parabola. So, we're not pertaining about the graph dito sa topic natin. Ang pertaining natin is converting from standard form or vertex form to general form or vice versa from general form to standard form. Yun ang main topic natin ha. Diniscuss ko lang dito ano yung mga parts ni parabola. So magagawa rin ako ng video doon on how to graph a parabola. Pero for this video, ang target natin is how to convert general form to standard form or standard form to general form. So, vice versa. So, proceed muna tayo dun sa transforming the equation of the parabola from general form to vertex form. So, ibig sabihin, mula sa ganitong form, papunta sa ganitong form. Isa man din sa dalawa. Siyempre, kung opens upward siya, so, magiging ganitong format yun. Kung opens downward siya, magiging ganitong format yun. Makikita nyo naman kung alin doon. So, madidetermine natin yun. So, yun yung muna pag-aaralan natin. Proceed na tayo. Meron tayong apat na rules to convert. Group the term with the same variables. Yun yung una. Next, move the remaining to the right side of the equation. Next, create a perfect square trinomial by completing the squares. Whatever terms that were added to the left side, add them also to the right side of the equation. And then express the perfect square trinomial and square of binomials to make the equation in the vertex form. So, apat lang yung rules natin. Proceed tayo dun sa given example. So, example, y squared minus 4x minus 12y plus 28 is equal to 0. So, kung makikita niyo or mapapansin niyo dito sa given example natin, yung y squared ang naka-raise to 2 or naka-squared or nasa second degree. So, therefore, is either opens to the right or opens to the left yung equations natin. Yun yung mapapansin nyo. So, therefore, yung magiging kasama ni y, that is the y coordinates, at di yung makakasama ni x, yun yung x coordinates. So, proceed tayo. Kasi, ano nga bang unang rules? Ang unang rules is group the terms with the same variable. So, ang gagawin lang natin, pagsasamahin natin yung magkatulad. So, since parabola to, laging dalawa lang yung magkatulad dyan. The rest hindi na. So, kung mapapansin nyo, since y squared or yung y ang nasa second degree, so therefore, y lang ang may katulad dyan na variable. Yung x, wala siyang ka-group. Okay? Hindi kagaya ng circle na meron ka-group si x variable at meron din ka-group si y variable. Kung yung y variable ang naka-squared, y variable lang ang may ka-group. Kung yung x ang naka-squared, yung x lang ang mayroong ka-group. So since dito sa group natin, sa given example natin, y ang may exponent na second degree, so therefore siya yung mayroong ka-group. Group natin. First step natin is group the term with the same variable. So that is y minus. So, yun yung first step natin. Next step natin daw, step 2, move the remaining terms or the remaining to the right side of the equation. Since ito yung mga walang ka-group, i-move natin yun sa kabila. So, that will become y squared minus 12y is equal to from negative, that will become positive 4x. So, positive 28, from positive, that will become negative 28. So, hindi ko na linagyan ng open close parenthesis kasi nag-remove na natin siya kanina. At the same time, minove na natin yung other terms dun sa right side of the equation. So, okay lang. At least, natitira na naman silang one group dito sa left side of the equation. So, kahit di nyo nalagyan yun. Next, create a perfect square trinomial by completing the squares. So, since ito namang x squared, x value variable natin ay walang exponent, so therefore, ito lang merong y variable. Yung merong lang exponent na square, ito lang yung i-completing the square natin. So, formula for completing the square, that is c is equal to negative b over 2a quantity squared. So, locate na natin yung value ng a natin. Value ng a natin is 1. Ito. Ang value ng b natin is negative 12. So, that is c is equal to negative 12 all over 2 times 1 quantity squared. So, that will become negative times negative, that is positive. So, 12 over 2 squared. So, that is 12 divided by 2, that is 6 squared. 6 squared is 36. So, 36, ilalagay natin dito. Sabi, whatever terms that were added to the left side, add them also to the right side of the equation. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan lang natin balansehin. Kasi pag nag-add lang tayo ng 36 dito, binago natin yung equation. So, para hindi natin mabago yung equations, mag-add tayo both sides. So, that is plus y squared minus 12y plus 32 or 36 is equal to 4x minus 28 plus 32. So, simplify natin yan. That will become y squared minus 12y plus 36 is equal to 4x negative 28 plus 32. That will become positive 32. Sorry, that is 36. 36 nga pala ang c natin. So, that will become 8. So, that will become 8. Next is, express the perfect square trinomials as square of binomials to make the equation in the vertex form. So, gagawin natin itong vertex form. So, gagawin natin binomial siya. So, kagaya lang din na ginawa natin is nung dun sa circle, square root ng last term and ng first term, that is y. Then, square root ng last term, that is 6. And then, sign ng second term, which is negative. So, square is equal to, extract natin yung common factor, which is 4. So, that will become 4 times x plus 2. Kasi pag dinistribute natin yan, 4 times x, that is 4x. 4 times 2, that is 8. In-extract lang natin yung common factor niya. So, therefore, this is the vertex form or the standard form of y squared minus 4x minus 12y plus 28 is equal to 0. So, yan yung vertex 4 niya. So, kung gusto nating malaman kung ano yung vertex niya at h and k, remember nyo lang lagi na ang kasama ng x is the h and ang kasama ng y is the k. So, hindi pwedeng yung una yung kagad ng h, hindi. Kung alin yung kasama ng y, yun yung k, at yung kasama ng x, yun yung h. So, therefore, since ito ang kasama ng x, yung 2, yan yung magiging value ng h. I-reverse natin siya dito. Kung positive siya dito, that will become negative 2 dito sa h. And then, since ito ang kasama ng y, so therefore, this is the k coordinate, the y coordinates sa the 6. Since negative siya dito, gagawin natin siyang positive dito. So, this is the vertex. Ngayon, since positive yung constant na nandito, kaya nga natin in-extract din yung common factor para malaman natin ano ba sign ng constant outside the x variable. So, which is positive. So, therefore, the parabola is, since y squared to, this is either opens to the right or opens to the left. Since positive siya, therefore, this is opens to the right. If ever lang naman na tinanong. Pero ito lang naman ang kailangan natin. Inanalysis lang natin kung paano kunin yung vertex saka kung anong opening siya. Kasi para at least pag next video natin na gumawa tayo ng graphing, alam natin kung paano i-determine kung opens to the right siya or opens to the left or opens upwards or downward. And then at the same time, kaya natin kunin yung h and k given dun sa standard form. So, meron pa ba tayong other example? So, another example, x squared plus 4x minus 8y plus 4 is equal to 0. So, ang dito naman sa example natin, x naman ang naka-squared, so is either opens upward or opens downward. So, since kanina ay ginawa naman natin yung solving kanina, halos parehas lang yan, try to pause the video and then solve kayo, then tingnan natin kung parehas yung sagot nyo sa magiging sagot. Okay, gang?
A few moments later.
Okay, since tingin ko ay nakapagsagot na kayo, so let us begin. Now, since i-group down natin, that will become x squared plus 4x. Group natin using parenthesis. Minus 8y plus 4 is equal to 0. Move down natin to dun sa kabila. So, I hope parehas tayo na nagiging sagot. So, that is x squared plus 4x is equal to 8y minus 4. And then, next niyan ay, this will become, using completing the square, that is c is equal to negative b over 2a quantity squared. So, dire-diretso yun natin. B natin is negative 4 over 2 times a natin, which is 1. So, over 2 na lang. So, negative 4 divided by 2, that is negative 2 squared, that is 4, or positive 4. So, add down natin dun sa kabila, sa both sides. So, x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 8y minus 4 plus 4. So, this will become x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 8y. Tama, cancel na tong dalawa. So, extract natin binomial. So, square root ng x squared, that is x. Square root ng last term, that is 2. Sign ng second term, which is positive. So, this will become positive. Squared is equal to 8y. Okay? So, this is the standard form of the given general form, which is x squared plus 4x minus 8y plus 4 is equal to 0. Since kailangan natin, natin yung vertex at h and k niya. Kasama ng x is always h, which is 2. So, this is Since positive siya, magiging negative dito. So, negative 2. Yung y, ang kasama niya lagi is k, which is wala tayong nakalagay dito. So, kung wala kayo nakikita dyan, huwag tayo mag-imagine ng number. That is always 0. So, at h and k, that is negative 2 and 0. Okay? Since positive yun nandito, at x ang naka-squared, so this is opens upward. Ayan. Ganun lang ka-basic transform mula general form to standard form. So, how about naman kung transforming the equations of the parabola from vertex form to general form? So, baliktad naman. Kung makikita nyo kanina, 4 yung rules natin dito, 3 lang. Square the binomial and expand. So, dun sa left side, i-explore natin yung binomial. Dun sa right side, i-distribute natin yung constant. Then, place all the terms to the left side of the equation. So, yung lahat ng values na nandun sa right side, lipat natin dun sa left side. Simplify the equation by combining all like terms and write the equation in the general form. Alin man dito sa dalawang ito. So, proceed tayo. Tingnan natin. Itong example na to. So, first rule natin is group pa kagad. Group pa rin ba? Ang step 1 daw natin is square the binomial and expand. So, i-square natin ito. So, paano ba ni-square dyan? Square the first term, that is y squared. Next, first term, ito yung teknika. First term, multiply by the second term, times 2. So, y times 5, that is 5y, times 2, that is 10y. So, that is 10y. Then, square the last term. So, that is 25. Roots natin. Is equal to distribute daw natin. So, this will become negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 7, that is positive 14. Ayan. So, next step daw natin, place all the terms to the left side of the equation. So, kung etong mga to, lipat natin dun sa kabila. So, that will become y squared plus 10y plus 25. So, from negative, that will become positive pag linipat natin siya doon. So, this will become 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. So, combine, sabi nga, simplify the equation by combining all like terms. So, i-combine lang naman natin. Meron pa tayong like terms dyan. Ang like terms lang lagi natin dyan is the constant. So, 25 minus 14, that is, yan yan. 25 minus 14, and that is 11. So, combine na natin. This will become y squared plus 10y plus 2x plus 11 is equal to 0. Sabi, i-transform daw natin and write the equation in the general form. Alin man doon sa dalawa, since y squared ang naka-squared, so yung general form for y squared, which is y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So, yan yung lagi. So, since x ang kasunod, relate lang natin itong equation na to. So, that will become y squared plus 2x plus 10y plus 11 is equal to 0. So, yan yung general form na y plus 5 squared minus negative 2 times the quantity of x minus 7. So, itong standard form or vertex form na to, ito yung general form niya. Dali lang na kapag converting vertex form to general form. And, anyway, madali lang rin naman yung isa lang naman din yung nabago sa kanilang, isa lang naman yung nabawas na step. So, tingnan natin to example number 2. Same thing pa rin, post natin sa video, then Try to solve. Okay, game. Tingnan natin kung parehas ang sagot nyo sa sagot ko. So, square daw natin to or expand natin to. So, this will become x squared ang first term, that is x squared. First term multiplied by the second term, x times 2, that is 2x times 2, that is 4x. Square ng last term, that is 4, is equal to, distribute daw natin to, y times y, that is 9y. 9 times negative 5, that is negative 45. Next, so move down natin lahat dun sa kabilang side. So this will become x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 9 plus 45. I hope parehas tayo na nagiging sagot is equal to 0. So combine like terms lang natin. So this will become x squared plus 4x minus 9y plus 49 is equal to 0. Pinumbay natin itong 4 saka 45. So, convert daw natin sa general form since x squared, yung general form sa x squared which is x squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Which is, nandun na siya sa form na to. So, therefore, ito na yung general form. Okay, parehas tayo ng sagot, no? Ayan, ganyan lang kadali yun. So, that ends our discussion for today. Thank you for watching. I hope meron na naman tayong panibagong natutunan for mathematics. Thank you for watching.